Just a quick video to send to the customer. Rotors, calipers in the back, pads. Basically, you need rotors and calipers and and pads for all 4 tires. I'm gonna show you the oil too, so you can see. Pads, rotors, pads, calipers. Then under the hood, I'm gonna do the oil change for free for you. That's the least of my worries. You know, you're low on washer fluid, a little bit low on coolant. Brake fluid is good. As you can see, your oil is so black. It's not supposed to be that color, so you need an oil change. And then we're gonna recharge your AC and see if that's the reason why it's blowing hot. And then I think that's really it. Let's see if you need wipers or anything. Nah, your wipers is good. Back wiper. Back wiper's good. Yeah, and then that tire, this is the tire that you thought that you hit and messed up. The rim is a little bit messed up, but it's not too bad. If you want to get a new tire and rim, I can find it on Facebook Marketplace. But that's not the reason why your tire light is on. I checked the air pressure. Oh, your air pressure is good. It's definitely a tire pressure sensor. Back out here with the customer's car. She says she wants to get the oil change done today. Told her I got her for the free ski, because she's gonna have to get a lot of work done. Pick this up at AutoZone. Because as you can see, her oil filter is not like any other car. Well, not like saying like that, but her filter is a top filter. Can't really see it right here, but I'm trying to get close to it. It's literally right where my finger is. Yeah, that's a 24 millimeter. And you know the drain plug is on the bottom. Let me see if I can do this. If I can put the damn tripod up. Oh, they're labeled. Yep, 24. 24. Fits right on that baby. And then I'm gonna get that screwed out, show you how the old filter, new filter, and boom. Alright, I'm not gonna be able to show y'all because it's not really not that much room, but let me see. As you can see, the drain plug is down here at the bottom, that gold bolt. It's supposed to be a 14 millimeter, but I guess somebody switched it out. It's a 17. I'm gonna get that out and drain it, and we're gonna be right back. We're gonna go up top, get the filter out. Alright, you ready for the good part? Here we go. I took the phone way out of view. Make sure you got your drain pan right here. Then start to twist it. Make sure you're pushing up so oil don't squirt everywhere, get in your eyes. And then there we go. See, look how black her oil was. Definitely needed an oil change. That's what she was hearing. Well, maybe the reason why she's hearing that noise. While this is draining, we're gonna get the top filter going. Top filter right there. We'll be back. Thank God for my Auntie Tracy for these tools. Look how easy that bad boy come out. It's already out. Get that off. I'll show y'all just to make sure y'all know how it's supposed to look. It's got some oil gonna drop, but we're gonna catch it. The pan's still down there. This is the old filter. Old O-ring, you gotta take both off. New filter right here. New filter, look. Old filter. It's crazy. Probably ain't had that oil change done in a minute. And then this is the new O-ring. I'm gonna get this put in And then I'm gonna show y'all. See that? And what you want to do? Pinch off the old O-ring, slip on the new one. Make sure it's down in the groove. A new oil filter goes in. Bro, don't tell me I got the wrong filter. Alright, I see what happened. They're the same filter. The same filter. New one just came with a spring at the bottom, but it fits in. Damn. Oh, we're taking mad long. But after that, get that bad boy in there. Make sure it sinks in. Put the drain plug in already, so we can get our jack stands out the way and set the car down. As you can see, the drain plug is in. This goddamn jack, bro. I need a new jack, bro. One day this shit work, one day it don't. And I need to get some new funnels, but we're gonna get this damn oil put in here and start this baby up. Hold on. Let me just get my funnel. I'm tired of pausing the damn video. Alright, the car takes 4.3 quarts. Bought a 5-quart jug. Yep, my funnel fits right in there. Bought a 5-quart jug. So 4.3 is like right around here. So you should have one quarter and some change left over after we get done pouring. And if you can see, chop over from the other side, look how clean this oil is compared to how it was looking when I drained it. And always remember to check your dipstick too. See your level. Yep, got it right in the middle. Takes a little bit more though. Alright. Then get the oil cap on. Get this baby started up. You can see. Oh, right. I put it up with the car. Now it's 5W30. This car takes 5W30. Different cars take different oils. Don't be a dumbass to put the wrong oil in your car. Alright. I need to get a set of Meta glasses, I swear to God, bro. So, alright, I knew it was something weird about that fucking filter, bro. The filter they gave me was wrong at AutoZone. Bitch, I got the green. Filter was red out, was wrong that they gave me at AutoZone. So, now we got the new filter. See if it fits in, doesn't flip out or anything. New O-ring. But the fucking old ass man there wanna be mad at me because he's the one who did the pickup order and he gave me the wrong filter. So I'm like, bro, just switch the filter out. It's the same price and I can just go about my day. He talk about he gotta refund it back to my car and I gotta buy the new one. I'm like, my nigga, what is the purpose of taking all this time when literally it's your fault? So then the nigga, he ends up grabbing the wrong filter the first time. This nigga grabs the upgraded one the second time. So then they're sitting there arguing with me. They're like, yo, this one's $20. The one that you got is $7. I'm like, well, okay, but I'm not the one who messed up, and you're the one who grabbed the fucking upgrade. So what are you talking about? I'm not in my head saying about the regular one that he could go grab, but I'm like, fuck it. If she gets an upgrade, she gets an upgrade. He caused a little commotion. Then he ended up taking too long, and the refund shit was on the fucking register. That shit refunded me back my fucking money for the oil filter, and they just gave me the upgraded extended life fucking oil filter for free. We about to go throw this bitch in this damn, it seemed like I was just calling her a bit. But I throw this oil filter in this girl's car, get this shit started up, and then we're gonna see how this is. I'm out. Alright, we're back at the customer's car. Oil already in. Hold on. Damn, my head. Oil in the car. Everything's all patched up at the bottom. Now we just slip that bad boy in there. Motherfucker try to play me, give me the wrong filter. Act like I do the wrong job. Got me looking stupid in front of my new customer, motherfucker. And then I like to use my tools the right way, man. We got torque wrench, just in case we over torque that bad boy and it snap. See, this is different than the regular wrench. It'll stop when it gets too tight. So get in there. Look. It's on there. Yeah. And then you hear a click. Hold on. Bro, I don't know what's going on, but you hear a click like that when it's fully tightened down. Now we'll start this bad boy up. See if anything drains out or how she's sounding. All right, that's a bad boy. I know what niggas call cars females, but the women call their cars after males. All right, and then, bro, I think it's sweat on my fucking phone or something that keeps turning off the goddamn. These shits, where the fuck is these shits again? Vehicle settings, maintenance. I think you gotta push the pedal. I forgot what the fuck it is. Well, hold on, let's just check right here. As you can see, oil filter is down, nothing's leaking out. We're gonna check the levels. Nothing's leaking on the bottom. Make sure I get under there so I can see. Nothing's leaking on the bottom. Drain plug is tight. Oh, damn. Check the oil level. I hear what she's sounding. She sounds like a motherfucking, I don't know. She's humming. Oh, hell no. She's losing. That's what I think that's the sound she said it was making before. I didn't hear that. Oil level is good though. Hold on. It's weird when you take the dipstick out. That's when you hear that noise. I'm gonna take it for a test drive though, see how it sounds. Yeah, how to reset the oil light, turn the ignition on. Right here, it's the menu button. My dumb ass. It's a menu button. Then once you get the oil light. Wait, oil light. Oh, there you go. Oil life. Oh, she had 45. Then you push down the button. And it resets to 100. Push down this button right here. Alright. And that's how you do an oil change on a 2016 Chevy Trax. I'm out.